Market your affiliates all over. Send that review to your email list, post on your Facebook page, in your Facebook group. Don't have a Facebook group? You need to start one. Like yesterday. Market the heck out of it on Pinterest and Instagram. I am still making money from posts that are over a year old. Why? Because they are on Pinterest. Pinterest is the best free form of advertising ever. Stay motivated by keeping track of your sales. I found that when I started to track my affiliate sales and saw the money coming in and growing each month, it motivated me even more. So if you want to take affiliate marketing seriously and really start making some money, then enter your info below to get your free printable affiliate tracker. Because how awesome would it be to even make an extra $100 a month? That was my goal when I started. I would never have imagined making what I do today. Ever. So get busy. One more thing. Always be sure to state that there may be affiliate links within your post. I always reference my disclosure at the beginning of every single post. You don't want to make the FTC mad.